Do you do same day closings with wholesalers? Some wholesalers may be telling you they need to close in a day or two, and you're wondering if that's something that we can do. At the end of the day, we just need a few things in order to close on a property, okay? We're going to need to get inside the property, to get values done, to get contractor in there, your contractor in there, and to get an established scope of work. The next thing that we're going to need is full title insurance. And this needs to be from a reputable title company that's insured. And lots of times title insurance is going to take several weeks, depending upon what state that it's located in. It could be anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. And depending upon where in the state the property is actually located. The other thing we have to get is full hazard insurance. We have to have hazard insurance, and that usually takes a few days if everything goes right. And then we also need to have legal docs done, and that usually takes a couple of days as well. So when you kind of think about all these things, by the time we're getting the contractor's bid, by the time we're getting scope of work, by the time we're getting agreements, by the time we're getting a legal docs, by the time we're getting title insurance, that can take some time, and it really has nothing to do with the time that we need. That doesn't even include us, right? Even looking at everything and processing everything. That's just the time for us to get that information back so we can actually process and underwrite that file appropriately. So when you're dealing with a wholesale situation, if they're going to need money within a day or two, it really is someone that has cash in their own pocket that is going to be able to buy a property like that. You're not going to be able to close that fast in any reality with any lender, because these things are going to be necessary regardless of what type of lender you're going after. Now, if they're asking if it can close in a day or even a couple of days, the answer is just simply no. It's not something we can do, and it's not something any other lender out there is really going to be able to accomplish because of the requirements that are necessary in order to have a closing happen. It's really going to be something that a cash buyer is going to need to come in. When we say cash, it's money in their own bank account. There is no loan on the property. Also keep in mind, if you ever hear a lender saying we can close in a couple of days, it usually means they can close a couple of days after they get all the required information like title insurance and hazard insurance and full access to the property and contractor bids and agreements and all that type of stuff, legal documents. And then they need a couple of days to review all that, and then they can close. So keep that in mind as well.